It's officially pumpkin season. So today we're celebrating this seasonal favorite with not one but two delicious recipes, Kaddu ki Poori and Halwa. Let's first start with the Poori. Start by heating some ghee in a kadhai. Once it's hot, add grated pumpkin and give it a good mix. Now sprinkle in cardamom and nutmeg powder for that lovely festive aroma. Next add semolina and chopped jaggery. Keep mixing until the jaggery melts and the mixture turns a little gooey. Once the extra water dries up, transfer it to a plate and let it cool for 10 minutes. Now add rice flour and wheat flour. Apply some ghee to your palms and knead it into a soft, firm dough. Now make small round balls, flatten them and roll out into mini puris. Fry them in hot oil until golden and puffed up. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, your pumpkin puris are ready to serve hot. And what's pumpkin season without something sweet? Let's make a quick pumpkin halwa. So in a kadhai, heat a tablespoon of ghee and add grated pumpkin. Mix it well. Now add a cup of sugar and stir until it melts and blends beautifully with the pumpkin. Now keep stirring for 3 to 4 minutes till it's glossy and cooked through. Now finish with a handful of chopped almonds or pistachios. And there you have it, warm, fragrant pumpkin halwa ready in minutes. These easy pumpkin recipes bring all the cozy festive vibes to your plate because nothing says autumn comfort quite like the taste of pumpkin and ghee. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.